I'm supposed to clean the windows, make it real crystal clear so you can see the shots outside. I'm supposed to turn the camera lights on, which they are. They got a backlight here that lights me up, and put a light on the, the car so you can see me. Maybe you see that. Ghosts. Hey, I'm Fish. Oh yeah. Are you waiting for the new camera to come out or came out? Have you heard Insta360? They're making a octagon lens, a revision of the camera. If I had my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with me, I wouldn't get half the shots when the camera's off, but when it's in the on position, I would. So I'm in my favorite place, you got it. I don't keep super night on. That's where the Insta3 Go Ultra chooses. I'm waiting for those Christmas packages that they put out. Not here yet. I got my walking stick. Oh yeah, man, I could walk with them. I gotta continue my build, change some wood by the gate, and add some wood by the wall. I got things to do when I want to do them. Alright, I got blue light above, blue light going across. I got videos on the computer, 3 to edit. And I hear the M5 MacBook Pro's coming out. And yeah, man, it's probably out already. Probably a little late to the table. But maybe I'll look at that. The wheels of the bus go round and round, round. You get it. That's all we see are school buses. And they're out taking care of the kids. Up ahead, right over here, a new camera. Right there. You gotta watch them today. There's speed cameras, noise camera, red light cameras. Maybe they're a turn signal camera. What's cool about that? Nothing. Well, it's an ice cream day. Get it? Well, I'm Fish, and I got stuff to do. Take care of. Go meet up with Joe and get on going. And things to do. On that note, I'll see you on the next one.